We've got ridiculous road ragers, dangerous drivers, full self-driving fails, and much more mayhem coming up in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
This subscriber was riding in his Model Y with full self-driving handling the driving when his Tesla suddenly veered to the left and went off the road. Don't get too excited, Dan O'Dowd. Our subscriber admitted his leg forcefully hit the steering wheel, disengaging FSD and sending his Tesla hurtling off the road. After smashing through a bunch of things, it finally stopped when it hit a power pole. Our subscriber had to pay $1,200 to have his Model Y towed away. But incredibly, neither he nor his dog were harmed in the collision. We're guessing that his repair bill is going to cost a lot more than that. He told us, "I frunked up." Hopefully, he'll keep all his appendages off the steering wheel the next time he uses FSD. Miguel was driving his Model 3 down a Florida highway when a tanker truck ahead began changing lanes to the right before colliding with a Nissan that was already in the other lane. Evidently, the truck driver hadn't realized the Nissan was in his blind spot. The impact sent it spinning across the highway, and even though Miguel slowed way down, he still ended up T-boning it. The collision damaged Miguel's front left wheel, leaving the car resting directly on the road. Sadly, the damage was severe enough that his Model 3, Amparito, was eventually totaled. Farhan was making deliveries in his 1-month-old Model 3 when a nearby pedestrian collapsed, and while bystanders ran to help him, the driver of a Toyota Corolla backed into his Tesla. The Toyota driver got out to inspect the damage, attempting to wipe it off while telling Farhan it's nothing. Before Farhan was able to ask him for his information, he jumped back in the Corolla and drove away. Before fleeing the scene, he did tell Farhan he'd panicked because the collapsed man was his friend. But who just peels out of a parking lot after their friend collapses? Since he was already late to pick up another delivery, and since the hit-and-run driver's license plate number had already been captured by his Teslacams, Farhan continued on with his evening. Hopefully his insurance provider will be able to track the other driver down so his insurance policy can pay to repair the damage to Farhan's brand new Model 3. Johnny was about to exit an alley in his Model X when the driver of an oncoming van made a very expensive mistake. When the van driver pulled into the road, he crossed the path of a tour bus, which collided with the side of the van and obliterated the front ends of both vehicles. In fact, the impact sent the bus's windshield tumbling into the road. Johnny stopped and made sure the occupants of both vehicles were okay before continuing. Yuval was headed home in his Model 3 when he approached an intersection with a green light. Suddenly, an oncoming driver turned left across traffic before smashing into another vehicle. Yuval stopped and provided a copy of his Teslacam footage to the collision victim, and he thinks it's pretty obvious who was responsible. Night Fury was on his way home from work when he prepared to zipper merge as traffic entered a congested highway construction zone. Everything was going fine, with drivers observing the zipper merges in order to alleviate congestion, until the driver of a black Toyota RAV4, who clearly hadn't been paying attention, accelerated to block Night Fury's merge. Thankfully, the acceleration of his Model Y easily outpaced the large SUV while the driver just stared in disbelief. A minute later, the Toyota driver, clearly triggered by Night Fury's ability to avoid his attempt to assert his dominance, caught up to his Tesla before flipping him off, finally speeding away while Night Fury just ignored him. Kevin was headed home from his godfather's house in his Model Y with full self-driving engaged when drivers ahead began swerving for some reason. Suddenly, he realized what the reason was. A wild tire came rolling down the road, and FSD quickly cranked the steering wheel hard to the left to avoid colliding with it. Thankfully, no contact was made, and both Kevin and his wife were relieved when they got home and verified that there wasn't any damage. Candy Cat was driving her Model Y when she approached an intersection with a stale green light. Out of nowhere, an oncoming Toyota driver suddenly began making a U-turn across her lane. Even though Candy Cat's light turned yellow just as she entered the intersection, she sent us her rear Teslacam footage proving the other drivers had too. They definitely should have yielded before attempting to turn. When both drivers arrived at the next traffic light side by side, Candy Cat told us the other driver gave her a dirty look as if the close call had been her fault. Jeering Elk 1 was letting full self-driving take him to enjoy some sushi for lunch when he noticed a van driver turning to reach a driveway. The driver seemed to have misjudged their van's turning radius because they had to climb a curb to get into the parking lot, but not until after they'd come to a stop, blocking the road. FSD alerted Jeering Elk 1 to take over, which he did. Once safely around the van and after confirming nobody else had hit it, he re-engaged FSD and continued. Joey was on his way to work in freezing rain, and even though the Teslacam's view is notoriously good, he told us there was low visibility for the human driver, meaning him. Suddenly, he had to slam on the brakes and come from 45 miles per hour to a standstill to avoid hitting a pair of ducks. He pointed out that swerving into the oncoming lane wasn't the best option, considering the semi that was headed toward him. Thankfully, his Model 3 stopped on a dime without colliding with the J-Waddlers, which the footage from his driver's side Teslacam confirms. Joey told us his Tesla has always been his dream car, but lately he's been bullied for driving it. Incidents like this, being able to stop quickly in spite of poor weather, sparing innocent wildlife, has reaffirmed his choice of vehicle. Stanley was on his way to go hiking at Lake Kolchak and had let full self-driving handle the entire trip. Check out what happened just as another Tesla passed him going the other way. A deer ran across the road right in front of Stanley's Model 3, and FSD saved the day by slamming on the brakes before maneuvering around the deer. Stanley was thankful a disaster had been avoided as he continued on his trip. Aaron was driving his Model 3 down a highway in Texas when an SUV driver used the breakdown lane to pass traffic, launching rocks and debris that cracked his Tesla's windshield. When Aaron contacted the police, they told him that his video evidence was useless to them and they wouldn't be making a report or citing the driver, since they hadn't witnessed the incident themselves. When he contacted Tesla, they were happy to replace his Model 3's windshield with a new one for $1,600 US. Aaron, this recently happened to me too. I got the entire windshield paid for by the other driver's insurance provider after I made a claim with my own. I know this happened months ago, but for $1,600, it's worth a shot. This subscriber was making a left turn through an intersection when another driver made a sudden turn without warning. The driver of the black Nissan turned toward a gas station at the last second, nearly causing a collision with our subscriber. Thankfully, his Model 3's brakes were strong enough to avoid any contact. Shadow sent us this Sentry mode footage showing her upstairs neighbor dumping a soda on her Tesla as he walked by. Shadow had only purchased this used Model 3 2 weeks prior. After dumping soda on it, her neighbor walked away and into his apartment. She reported the vandalism to the police, just in case any damage was done to the paint while trying to clean it up. Thankfully, she was able to remove it without any issue. She also informed property management, and they issued her neighbor a warning. Tim was using full self-driving when a tanker truck changed lanes in front of him. This didn't bother him, but then the trucker rolled coal on him. He told us this didn't really bother him either, but when he tried to go around the truck, the driver accelerated in an attempt to block his pass. Obviously, Tim's Model Y was much quicker, and he had no trouble getting ahead of the heavy tanker. But the trucker wasn't done. He accelerated again to pass Tim before flipping him off. Rather than playing into the trucker's obvious instability, Tim just took his exit as planned and continued on with his day. Robert's wife was driving their 2-week-old Model Y in a suburban neighborhood when a pickup truck with an unsecured ladder pulled out onto the road in front of her. How do we know the ladder wasn't secured? Well, the fact that it toppled onto the road as the pickup accelerated makes it pretty obvious. Robert's wife stopped and waited for a passenger to exit the pickup and get the ladder out of the road. He waved at her before carrying the ladder on his shoulder as the driver of the pickup pulled off the road. In the end, nobody was hurt and nothing was damaged. What a refreshing break from the usual carnage. Brady's Model Y had full self-driving engaged when a pickup ahead of him on the highway lost a piece of furniture. Brady told us FSD automatically swerved to the left to avoid the tumbling furniture, which he didn't even notice until he'd already passed it. A car behind him hit it, but with no safe place to pull over, Brady continued. Jeff was exiting an Arizona highway when he slowed down as he approached stop traffic in his Model Y, but the driver behind him didn't seem to notice until the last second. To avoid rear-ending Jeff's Tesla, the other driver had to swerve off the road. Jeff thinks they were probably distracted, and he said they looked shocked by what had happened. Thankfully, this incident was nothing more than a scary close call, and probably scarier for the other driver than it was for Jeff, as they stayed parked off the side of the road, contemplating their life choices as Jeff continued. Jamaica had just gotten a car wash when she approached a red light, ending up behind a diesel pickup truck. How do we know it's a dirty diesel, you might be asking? Jamaica told us she could tell the pickup driver kept looking back at her before the light turned green, at which point his truck's tailpipe let a huge fart rip as he rolled coal on her Model 3. His actions hurt his own wallet more than they hurt Jamaica's feelings. In fact, she told us she was excited to finally have some footage to send to Wham Bam Teslacam. If you have footage to share, the submission link is in the description. Nick was on his way to have dinner with his wife in his Model 3, but check out what happened after the traffic light turned green and he made a left turn. Shortly after the turn, he realized a wrong-way driver was headed straight toward him in his lane. Thankfully, he was able to swerve into the empty neighboring lane to avoid a head-on collision before continuing to dinner. If you want even more epic Teslacam and Sentry mode footage, why not check out another episode of Wham Bam Teslacam here on YouTube, or on X, or on TikTok. We're posting our full episodes on those platforms now too. You've got choices.